where you found it, put it back there. Nothing much. When I had my frozen shoulder, I lost my ability to hang myself to the highest bar there. But right now I can do it after waiting for around 8 months to 9 months. If you're following me in my Instagram, more or less I gave a detailed daily stretching that I did just to restore and not to get stuck with the complication of frozen shoulder. So why I wasn't able to hang myself there when I had my frozen shoulder? Number one, of course, with pain. I can't really straighten up my arm. I can't do my straight, normal 180 degrees flexion. Okay, so I won't be able to hang there because when you're hanging, your arm will be really in a straight line. Okay, and secondly, I lost my strength. I lost my strength on my grip. To add more, my right shoulder blade is actually sticking out. It's hard to explain this. It's a little bit complicated, but it sticks out because it's being pulled forward and upward around my body. That's why it's sticking out. Remember, your body is not square. It's actually a little bit like rounded, okay? If you see it on top view. So the shoulder blade is sticking out. If I hang myself, I won't be able to flatten my back over that bar, okay? But now I'm able to do it. And again, I'm going to use my straps. So I'm always tired with my hands as it's deloading. Tricky. The strap you need to have some skills of wrapping your straps together with your hands on the bar. And as you hang, kick away the steps there, and then deload. So I'm contracting my lower abs. Therefore, neurologically, by nervous system, or what you call the reciprocal inhibition, I'm relaxing my lower back, which is the opposite of my abdomen. So when you do that, it opens up your lower back after doing several back workout. And with my position over the bar, my legs is not in contact with the ground, so I also remove the roll of my lower back to keep my body upright. Because every time you stand, your lower back needs to be aware that you need to be on your 2 feet upright, and it needs to contract. And when you are deloading your body, like the way I did, when you keep your foot away from the ground, it actually disengages your lower back, and therefore, beside the disengaging, because you remove your feet from the ground, I'm also doing reciprocal inhibition, which makes my lower back relax because I'm contracting my abs. And then the way I do it is actually reversing the natural curve of my back. So these 3 factors is actually a good way to deload your back after doing a lot of compression from your workout. So there you go. This is some of my workout. I usually finish this around 45 minutes, but since I'm talking to you, it took me for a while. And this is how you play the game of self-preservation. So I'm back home. So I'm going to show you what is my regular post workout meal. Okay. So usually I prepare some water. I'm going to cook my old-fashioned oatmeal. Really, oatmeal for old people. Yeah, oatmeal rhymes with old. Okay, anyway, I don't care. I love oatmeal. Yes, sirree. I'm gonna eat oatmeal with my post-workout food. So I'm gonna boil my oatmeal there, and I'm going to mix 2 eggs. I considered my workout a while ago as heavy. I usually just take 1 egg, but eggs is my regular. I usually take 1 egg a day, and I'm working out. So for most people out there, if you eat 2 eggs and you're not working out, I don't think you need that. Just 1 egg is enough for you. But if you work out, you can add more. And in my case, I've been doing this for a long time. 2 eggs is just enough for me. Maybe I can take another one in the afternoon. Okay, so that's 2 eggs. And I'm going to add sweet potato. My sweet potato or sweet potatoes are already cooked, and I put it in my fridge. So at the same time, since this is coming from the fridge, it will be warm, and again, it will be cooked. So I love purple yam or purple sweet potato. I don't know, I think it's something to do with, it's just in my head that I love to eat purple, and that's how much I eat. I mix it with my yellow potato. The purple yam or the purple sweet potato, I think, has more sugar because it's sweet. There you go. I usually use my chopsticks when I stir. Why? Because I don't want to scratch my casserole, anti-stick casserole. So it's already boiling. I'm going to add my 2 eggs for protein. Yes. There you go. Don't want to waste my egg. There's still more egg whites there, so settle down. Later I'm going to add it more to my cereal. So it's already boiling. Need to lower down the heat. There you go. Easy, huh? Convenient, easy. I'm not picky with taste. I'm sorry. Apologize for other people who are very picky. But in my case, I'm just lucky that I'm not picky. So you can imagine how does this taste. Oatmeal for old people, eggs, cooked eggs, okay, and sweet potato. Besides that, if I am not too busy, I usually add some nuts, especially Brazilian nuts. But I don't want to blend my food today, so I'm just going to eat my Brazilian nuts. 2 or 3 is enough for selenium. I need selenium in my diet. Yep. 2 or 3 Brazilian nuts a day. And this is not my regular, but I've tried using this hemp hearts. I bought this on October 17. I still have a lot. I only put around 1 teaspoon, or maybe if I feel hungry, I put more than around 3 teaspoons. I just placed this hemp in this container. So this is the same thing. And there you go. That's my complete meal, post-workout meal. Oh, by the way, I also use L-arginine alpha ketoglutarate. So I'm not a nutritionist here, so I'll let you do the research for what. So I only put around this much, and that's it. be resourceful, research on what is arginine. There you go. Bon appetit.